Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know what vitamins your body needs. Start by listing your daily foods and common symptoms, then compare them to nutrient-rich options. Focus on whole foods first, note any restricted diets, and log supplements and medications. If you suspect a gap, ask your clinician for targeted blood tests and discuss safe supplement doses tailored to your age, sex, and activity level. Start by observing persistent changes in your body and energy levels and write them down honestly each week. Match those signs to common vitamin roles, such as B12 for energy, D for bones, and C for tissue repair. Use a food log to see if you regularly miss key sources like dairy, fish, leafy greens, or citrus. This helps you decide whether diet changes could fix the issue or if testing is needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: use leak-proof meal prep containers to store balanced meals and stay consistent with nutrient goals, which makes following vitamin plans easier and less messy. I love how they save time and reduce plate guesswork, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by discussing symptoms and diet with your clinician to choose precise tests, such as B12, vitamin D, and ferritin levels. Home testing kits exist, but confirm abnormal results with lab tests to ensure accuracy. Review medications and conditions that affect absorption, like antacids or bariatric surgery. After results, create a plan that balances food sources, sensible supplementation, and follow-up testing to monitor improvement and avoid excess intake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.